Hey everybody, today we're going to be touring the Marielena Hotel here in Cuatrocienegas, Coahuila. And here's the hotel exterior, and I'm here standing outside the parking lot. See, here's the parking lot, and here's this empty backyard. And we're gonna do the hotel tour of this place. And right there is our good friend Mr. Security, and right there is the man-powered elevator. And there's some construction going on right now. Just let me point the camera because there might be someone here. And here is the beautiful area. And right there is the pool right there, and along with the hot tub. And right there is the hotel logo. And there are the public restrooms. And I have no idea what this area is, but I'm not gonna go in there. Out here's your sitting area, and in there's the restaurant. And this hotel, like I said, yes, it's in the exterior corridor. So right there's the fire extinguisher. And right over here, and no idea what this area is. Just go back. It's windy out here. And what they are, the palm trees. Oh my gosh. And right there's the shower right there. And let's walk right here. There is some construction going on. So, yep. I think they're building something new. Over here is the front desk. So anyways, let's go check out the room now. My room is on the second floor. And here is the man-powered elevator going up. I'm in room 29. Over here to the left. And here's my room, room 29. We're gonna pause it here and do the room tour. All right, this is going to be the hotel room tour here at the Marielena Hotel in Cuatrocienegas, Coahuila. We're here in room 29, which is on the second floor. And here you have your RFID locks. You just tap your key and you come in. Let's turn on the light here. All right, if you come in here, you have a beautiful looking room. And here you have two beds here, which I like. And right there's the hotel telephone and the alarm clock. And here's the beautiful lamp here. I like that. And right here you have the LG flat screen TV hanging up on the wall. And right there's the air conditioner. And right here's the coffee maker with 2 bottles of waters. And there are the cups. And look at this beautiful picture here. I like that. And up here you have your smoke detector. Let's check out the bathroom now. Let's turn this light on here. All right, and there I am. Hello. You have your sink. And right there's the hand sanitizer, and here's this mirror right here, and here's the closet. There's the towels, and there's your hooks right there. Let's go in here right now. All right, and here's the bathroom, and right there's the commode, which is a Helvex, and right there's that blurry window, and here's the shower with the shower head. Let's turn on the shower. It's a Helvex fixture, but we'll see that. Beautiful shower. And right there's the soap and shampoo. It's a Moen. Sorry. All right, anyways. And right there's the, I don't know what that is. So anyways, what you guys think of this room? You like it? I really like this room a lot. So, anyways, hope y'all enjoy the room tour here at the Marielena Hotel here in Cuatrocienegas, Coahuila, room 29. And that's going to be it. Thank y'all for watching, and that's it.